heart is whispering my name, floating high without a claim. Its edges blur, its heart untamed. Why do you drift so free, so high? Why do you never ask me why? Oh cloud, you make me sigh. The sun paints gold upon your face. The wind gives you a fleeting embrace. Yet you vanish without a trace. Do you hear the stars at night? Do you hold the rain so tight? Or are you just a dream in flight? Why do you drift so free, so high? Why do you never ask me why? Oh cloud, make me sigh. Found a dime in the gutter, shining faint and blue. Tossed it up to the heavens, made a wish or two. Who knew the sky could answer back with a wink and a laugh? I've got a pocket full of stars, burning through the seams. A galaxy in my hands, it's wilder than it seems. Every twinkle is a chance, every glow a dream. Pocket full of stars, yeah, bursting at the seams. Bursting at the seams, yeah. Stepped on cracks in the pavement, didn't break my stride. Chased the tail of a comet, let it be my guide. The moon whispers secrets I couldn't ignore, so I stole a few more. Gravity's a rumor holding me down. I'm floating, I'm falling, I'm spinning around. I've got a pocket full of stars, burning through the seams. A galaxy in my hands, it's wilder than it seems. Every twinkle is a chance, every glow a dream. Pocket full of stars, yeah, bursting at the seams. Who needs gold when the night's this bright? I'm rich with the universe, bathing in its light. No map, no compass, just a heart that roars. I'll keep reaching for more. Bursting at the seams, yeah. Last night I heard a whisper soft. The moon was stealing, I swore I coughed. Through my window it slid so sly. took my socks and waved goodbye. The moon stole my socks, oh what a thief. Left me cold in disbelief. Round and bright it laughed at me. A sockless night for eternity. I searched the floor, I checked the bed. No sign of stripes or threads in red. The stars were winking, they knew the tale. The moon's a bandit, pale and frail. Why, oh why, you cosmic crook, all I had, you just up and took. The moon stole my socks, so what a thief. Left me cold in disbelief. Round and bright it laughed at me. A sockless night for eternity. Didn't need them for the craters, or to warm its lunar feet. Maybe socks on a telescope is its idea of lily. There's a kingdom of lint in the dryer maze, where the socks escape and start their craze. One goes missing every laundry day. Tell me, where do they go when they run away? They dance through vents with no regrets. It's the lost sock parade, marching on unafraid, striped and polka dotted brigade. Oh, the lost sock parade. They build castles out of tumbleweeds, ride dust bunnies like noble steeds. Their anthem's the hum of the spinning drum. They vanish before the folding's done. They're rebels bold in the laundry cold. It's the lost sock parade, marching on unafraid, mismatched heroes, renegade. Oh, the lost sock parade. Floating high like whispers fly, colors burst against the sky, red and yellow a party soul takes to the height. Lift me higher, oh, so free. Tethered dreams untie and me. Balloons in the sky, up they go. Wishes riding winds we don't know. Round and light, they never cry. Balloons in the sky, oh, balloons in the sky. Strings like anchors, but they snap. Hope escapes the human trap. Up they drift, no map, no plan. Carried by a giant's hand. Tell me, where do they all land? On a beach or desert sand? Do they pop in spaces dark, or find love in some strange park? Balloons in the sky, up they go. Wishes riding winds we don't know. Round and light, they never cry. Balloons in the sky, oh, balloons in the Sipping stars in my morning cup, the universe swirling as I look up. Black hole sugar sweetens the sip. My rocket mug's got a lunar grip. Milky Way foam on my upper lip. Sip slow, don't let it slip. Cosmic coffee break, take me away. Stir the planets in a caffeine ballet. Space feels closer with every taste. No time, no gravity, no moments to waste. Saturn's rings as my coaster today. Venus whispers while the asteroids play. Pouring warmth from a comet's tail. Galaxy roast on an interstellar scale. Beams from Mars grind so fine. Solar steam makes it divine. Sip the cosmos in a bold design. Time stops here where the stars align. Cosmic coffee break, take me away. Stir the planets in a caffeine ballet. Space feels closer with every taste. No time, no gravity, no moments to waste. Ooh. fridge light glowing like a tiny sun. The clock says 2, but the night's still young. Leftover pizza or the mystery bun. I'm sneaking, I'm peeking, hearts beating, floor creaking. It's a midnight snack attack. No turning back, I'm under the spell of that midnight snack. Crunch goes the chip, I'm on the track. Can't resist this tasty pack. Pickles and a cold meat slice. Who needs sleep when the snacks entice? Ice cream's calling, I don't think twice. So the peanut butter's smooth, the crackers hit the groove. My midnight feast improves every bite, every move. It's a midnight snack attack. No turning back, I'm under the spell of that midnight snack. Crunch goes the chip, I'm on the track. Can't resist this tasty pack. A sleeping breeze, neon veins in a concrete feast. I walk the line where shadows crawl. The sky's a bruise that holds it all. Neon a plastic moon. Can you hear it? The static's hum. A melody where silence comes. Neon connections made and then forgot. Flicker once then fade away. But neon whispers always stay. tiny spark in the velvet light. It hummed a tune, it sang my name, a secret sky, a cosmic game. Do you feel it too, the weightless glow? A universe tucked where no one knows, a pocket full of stars, I carry them far, little fires that whisper who we are. No map, no guide, just a glowing tide, a pocket full of stars. And the night's my ride. I met the moon on a crooked street. It tipped its hat, a quiet beat. Said hold on tight, the sky might fall, but in my coat I'll catch it all. I'll sew the night into my sleeve, a quilt of dreams you won't believe. No need for wings, no need to run. The stars are here, the flight's begun. A pocket full of stars, I carry them far, little fires that whisper who we are. No map, no guide, just a glowing tide, a pocket full of stars. And the night's my ride. Pasta's boiling on the stove, it's a little too hot. Noodles wiggle like they're in a tangled plot. Sauce is bubbling, red as the sunset's glow. The spaghetti's alive, man, it's ready to go. Run, run, spaghetti's on the loose, twisting and turning like a slippery caboose. Catch it if you can, it's got no brakes, this is the great spaghetti escape. Forks are spinning, but it dodges the prompt. Plates are shattered, everything's going wrong. Garlic bread screaming, don't leave us behind. But the spaghetti's got freedom on its noodly mind. Jumped out the window, hit the lawn, past the parade at the crack of dawn. Oh, run, run, spaghetti's on the loose, twisting and turning like a slippery caboose. Catch it if you can, it's got no brakes, this is the great spaghetti escape. It's climbing the fences, crossing the street, dodging the cars. It's got spaghetti feet, a noodle revolution. Can you I saw a pair of wings on the pavement today. Neon laces tied in a dizzy ballet. They fluttered once, then ran away. Butterfly sneakers skipping through the town, catching the sunlight spinning around. Butterfly sneakers, they never touch the ground. Chasing those shoes like a dream on the breeze. They zigzag through alleys, they dance with the trees. I call out, hey, wait, but they never freeze. Are they magic or just free? Are they running from me? Butterfly sneakers skipping through the town, catching the sunlight spinning around. Butterfly sneakers, they never touch the ground. With no one to hold. A basket sways in the velvet dark. Lanterns flicker like timid sparks. The world below, a quilt of lights. We float between the stars tonight. Hot air balloons and midnight, drifting where the moon bites. No maps, no roads, no signs, just a sky that feels like mine. The wind whispers secrets it won't keep. Clouds hum a song while the city sleeps. I see your face in the starlit glow. Up here the ground feels so far below. Weightless we rise, no tether, no ties. Hot air balloons at midnight, or so it seems. I folded dreams into tiny wings, paper cuts from all these fragile things. The wind caught my whispers, carried them away. Who knew tomorrow could start today? Flying low, diving high, chasing clouds in a paper sky. Paper planes, they don't need a map, they just go where the breeze will cloud. No fuel, no crew, just hope and a fold. Paper planes, braver than gold. I scribbled wishes on their creased skin, sent them off not knowing where they begin. Through stormy weather, through skies so blue, each fold a promise, each flight brand new. Some crash, some soar, some land in the sea, but every single one carries a piece of me. The fragile can't break if they're meant to fly. Paper planes never ask why. Paper planes, they don't need a map, they just go where the breeze will clap. No fuel, no crew, just hope and a fold. Paper planes, braver than I built a kingdom from cereal boxes, crown made of tape, dreams in my pockets. The floor creaks loud, the walls lean thin, but I'm the ruler of everything within. Cardboard castles where I reign, in the sun or in the rain. No gold, no throne, no heavy chain, just paper walls and my domain. The wind's my rival, the rain's my foe, each drop a soldier in a soggy row. But I'll rebuild with blue and pride, the king of nothing, still dignified. Oh, the world says it's fragile, but they don't understand. Every dream starts with paper, every empire needs a hand. Cardboard castles where I reign, Whispers crawl where the darkness bites. A flicker, a twist, a shadow bends. The night begins but never ends. Dancing with shadows under the sky. Feet on the ground but the soul flies high. Round and round in a ghostly glow. Where they come from, we'll never know. A step to the left, the stars lean in. The air is thick, it clings to skin. Fingers trace the edges of the dark. A spark, a flash, a beating heart. Do you hear it calling loud? A voice that's hidden in the crowd. Dancing with shadows under the sky. Feet on the ground but the soul flies high. Round and round in a ghostly glow. Where they come from, we'll never know. The rhythm cracks, the silence breaks. Each breath a spell, each move it wakes. The shadows laugh, the shadows cry. They'll hold you close till the night says goodbye. I saw a spark in the rain last night. Neon skies lit up the fight. A current ran through my veins. Lightning kissed the city streets. My heart skipped on repeat. Every shadow danced insane. Electric love is burning bright. Shocking hearts in the dead of night. Feel the joy alive, alive, alive. Electric love is running wild. Falling fast like a fever child. Can't escape, we're alive, alive, alive. Wires hum beneath my feet. Charged up dreams we can't delete. Our voltage won't decline. Your touch is static, my mind's a fuse. Plugged into chaos we can't refuse. This love's a power Under the bed where shadows creep, I lost a sock, it fell too deep. One stayed with me, the other took a leap. you go? My stripy friend left me with one pet when my laundry's lonely, can't pretend. The dryer's grin, it spins its tail, swallowing socks like ships that sail. One by one they vanish pale. Maybe it's a portal to a world of cotton kings, a kingdom full of fabric where the lost sock sings. Oh, where'd you go? My stripy friend left me with one pet when my laundry's lonely, can't pretend. I'll hang your twin up on the line, pray you'll return with a sign. But till then I'll mourn and city lights like candy spilled on the floor. I chase the glow, but I want something more. The night hums a song I can't ignore. Electric whispers fill the air. Are you out there? Are you there? Neon dreams, they flicker and scream, chasing shadows in the machine. Neon dreams, they're all I see, but will they ever set me free? Violet moon hangs low in the haze, lost in the static. I count the ways to break the loop of these endless days. Flashing colors, they pull me in, round and round. Where does it begin? A labyrinth of wires and sin. Will I escape or just give in? Neon dreams, they flicker and scream, chasing shadows in the machine. Neon dreams, they're all I see, but will they ever set me free? Neon buzz like bees in flight, the city's veins lit up the night. I saw my shadow chase the glow, echoes of dreams on the pavement below. The skyline whispered what I didn't know. Neon skylines, they pull me in, dancing colors beneath my skin. I'm alive, alive again. Billboards screaming electric hues. I walk through worlds I'll never choose. Every step feels like a dare. Sirens hum wraps the midnight air. I'm lost, but I don't care. Neon skylines, they pull me in. Dancing colors beneath my skin. I'm drenched feet on a soggy lane. Colors running, but I'm to blame. Why'd I wear socks in the rain? They squish, they squeak, they sing a tune. Each step's a puddle, a monsoon. Who needs dry when you've got groove? Socks in the rain, socks in the rain. Dancing like I've gone insane. Splashing puddles, breaking chains. Oh yeah. Socks in the rain. I see a rainbow, I jump the crack, but my left sock's got a water attack. It's a wet sock rebellion, no going back. The storm's my drummer, the thunder's my band. I slip, I slide, I barely stand. Who knew chaos could feel so grand? Soaked to the core, my toes complain, but freedom's dripping down the drain. I'm a sponge, a rebel, a wet campaign. I saw a clock in the sky, ticking stars as they flew by. A comet whispered in my ear, what are you chasing down here? The galaxy spins on a whim, light bends and breaks, grows dim. Oh, space-time, you're a tangled vine, pulling me through the cracks of my mind. Oh, space-time, you're a web so fine, caught in your strands. I'm lost, I'm blind. Planets waltz in a cosmic hall, gravity's pull is the music's call. A black hole hums a bass line deep. What secrets does the void keep? Nebulas bloom velvet box with no sky above, buttons glowing like a robot's love. Floor to floor we drift, no plan. Up and down, I'm a yo-yo man. Velvet elevator ride, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. The door slide open, I decide. Velvet elevator ride. Strangers' faces, silent stare. Perfume battles, recycled air. Mirror reflections, they never lie. Am I going up or just getting by? Each thing's a heartbeat, each stop's a dream, floating through a neon stream. Velvet elevator ride, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. The door slide open, I decide. Velvet elevator ride. What's at the top, what's down below? The mystery pulls me, I gotta know. But maybe the ride's the only goal. Spinning my heart, stealing my soul.